In this video, I'm going to show you some of the navigation tools of the Sway resources that are embedded into this subject. So a Sway is a curated collection of resources such as hyperlinks, images, text, and so on that have been brought together and put into one distinct package so that you can engage them as part of your learning. They're like a little dynamic online PowerPoint presentation. So when you come to the Sway, you'll see that you'll have the front page of it, and then there are a number of icons around the page that help you move around. And we're going to focus particularly on the ones in the bottom right, where you've got the right arrow, the left arrow, and then this icon that is a series of horizontal lines. So in order to move through the Sway, you need to start by clicking on the right arrow. And when you click on the right arrow, you'll see that it takes you through all the different slides that have been set up. And when you get to various different formats of resource, there are things that you can do. So as an example, this one has brought you to a video, and you can tell by the play button in the middle of the video. Also at the bottom here, I put in an explanation to say, please watch this activity explanation. So to make the video play, you click on the play button. That'll take you to the main source of the video, and more often than not, you will be asked to press the play button again. So click on that, and you'll get a series of videos, most of them featuring me talking about the activities. In order to then proceed through the remainder of the Sway, you click on the right arrow again, and this will take you through. Another way to navigate through the Sway is if you click on the icon with the horizontal lines, it gives you a linear view of the content in there. And then you use the left and right buttons to scroll through. I'm going to jump to activity number 6, and I'm going to scroll through. And in this activity, there is a collection of images for you to look at. So these are screenshots from the SLG. And this is what is called a stack of images. So it's images on top of each other. And the way that you navigate through these, there are a number of ways that you can do it. You hover the mouse over the top image and click, and then click the next image, and so on and so forth. And the images will just keep on rotating around in order. The other way that you can view these images is by clicking on this icon here, just at the bottom right of the photographs, which looks like a view in a full screen icon. Click on that, and it orientates the images so that they are easy to read and slightly bigger as well. And then you can use the left and right arrows to navigate through those. And then when you want to come out of that particular view, click on the cross at the top right hand corner. And then you can proceed with the Sway once again. With a Sway, it's also important to remember that the information doesn't disappear. So the Sways will be there for the duration of the whole semester, so you can keep on revisiting them. And they're just a really useful way of collating the information.